how to fix ChatGPT unusual activity error fast. So if you want to fix your ChatGPT unusual activity error fast, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Next, you need to check if you're using a VPN. Go ahead and disconnect it. ChatGPT may block login from certain locations or VPN servers. Now go to your settings, scroll down and then go with apps or app management, and then select the manage apps option, and from here you need to search for ChatGPT and tap on it. Here you need to go with app permissions and check in all the necessary permissions are allowed, like network access and everything, and then go back to your settings and go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and clear the data of your ChatGPT. Once you've cleared your data, you can go back and check your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go with reinstall option. So go and delete the ChatGPT that you're using right now, and then again go with your Play Store or your App Store and reinstall it. Or the last thing you can do is search for ChatGPT, and if you have any updates under your ChatGPT, you need to go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.